Do you want to hide locked chats in WhatsApp? You can hide a locked chat folder on WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to hide locked chats in WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. To hide the locked chats folder in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're in WhatsApp, you'll find a folder called Locked Chats at the top of your chat list. To hide this Locked Chats folder, tap on the folder and unlock it using your fingerprint. Now, within the Locked Chats folder, you'll see all the chats that you've added to this secret folder. At the top right of the screen, tap on the three dots menu icon. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Chat Lock Settings. Now, a new screen will appear, where you'll need to create a secret code. To do this, tap on Secret Code and enter a memorable password or PIN code. Once you've entered it, tap the Next button at the bottom of the screen. Next, re-enter the secret code to confirm. After entering the code, tap the Done button. Now, look for the Hide Locked Chats option and enable the toggle switch next to it. Once you tap on it, a new screen will appear. Tap on Use My Secret Code at the bottom of the screen. Another screen will appear where you need to enter your secret code again to confirm. Enter the secret code, and then tap Done at the bottom. Now, return to your chat list screen, and you'll notice that the Locked Chats folder is no longer visible in your main chat list. To access these secret chats, enter your secret code or password in the search bar. Once you enter it, you'll see the Locked Chats folder. Now, tap on it to access all of your locked chats. By following these simple steps, you can easily hide your locked chats folder and access it using your secret code or password.